Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So this video is that I want to share with you if you are a Wordfence user. So Wordfence is a security plugin for WordPress website, and you might have received such email that informing you that your website there are a lot of users have been locked out from signing in, and you might be receiving as many as tens, if not hundreds of emails every day regarding this notification. And I'm going to teach you to share with you what are the things you can do to stop users from trying to log in to your WordPress website. So what this notification means is that they are robots. Unlikely, these are human users, and 99% of them are robots, automated scripts trying to use a lot of different password permutation to log in to your WordPress website. And Wordfence detected all these automated logins and send you emails like this. So the first thing that you should do to stop this logging attempts is to go to your dashboard. So go to Wordfence option, and under Wordfence you can see there's a login security. You can click on login security, and once you're on this page, just click on settings over here. So once you click on settings and scroll down a little bit, you should see there's an option here called disable SML RPC authentication. So you need to disable this setting, click save, and it will help you to stop some, if not most, of the attempts to try to log in to your website if you enable this option. So what this option means is that because there are some applications that need to communicate with your WordPress using this API, XML, RPC. So, but if for most of the WordPress website, you will not need this enabled. So you can just check this and see if it helps in minimizing the number of email notification that you receive from Wordfence. Okay, so and there's another way to stop this kind of email notification, which is to change or to hide your WordPress login URL, which I'll share with you in my future video, and I'll link to that video, and you can straight away go to watch that video to see if that method work for you. If let's say you can't disable this option. Okay, so if you have any questions, just post in the questions area below. If not, I'll see you in my future video. Thank you.